In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export your designs from Cricut Design Space to Canva. We're using a simple snapshot workflow, which is fast, reliable, and perfect when you want to bring a design from Cricut Design Space into Canva for mockups, social posts, or quick edits. Start by opening your design in Cricut Design Space and make sure the background you are viewing is clean and white. A white background helps keep the edges of your design clear and makes it easier to remove the background later if you need to. Take a moment to center your design on the screen and zoom in so it fills as much of the workspace as possible without cutting anything off. The more screen real estate your design takes up, the crisper your snapshot will be. Now take the snapshot. On Windows, press the Windows key, Shift, and S at the same time. Then click and drag a rectangle around your design. Try to capture only the design area and avoid the app's toolbars or side panels. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and 4, then click and drag over the design in the same way. If the selection isn't perfect, don't worry. Simply try again until you are happy with the crop. Clean edges here will save you time later. When your snapshot is captured, save it as a PNG file. PNG preserves quality well and supports transparency, which is helpful once you remove the background. Give the file a clear, memorable name and choose a folder where you can find it quickly. Next, open Canva and create a design. Pick the size that matches your project's needs, then upload the PNG you just saved. Once the image is uploaded, drag it onto your canvas and position it where it belongs. If you see a white background around your design after placing it in Canva, use the Background Remover tool in Canva's image editor. Click BG Remover and let it process. For the best results, zoom in and check the edges. If needed, use the Erase or Restore brush in the Remover tool to clean up small areas, especially around fine details like thin lines or text. A slow, steady brush pass usually gives a cleaner finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.